So we'll start off with an onion, and we're going to chop it into quite big pieces. So we've prepped his onion now. And next I'm going to cut up one pepper. Because this is slow cooked, you want to make sure that you preheated the slow cooker. So we'll just add a bit of seasoning to this chicken. So I want some black pepper to start with. About a teaspoon of mixed herbs. And then about a teaspoon of chicken seasoning. And a teaspoon of garlic powder or granules. And a little salt. We'll give that a good press in and we'll flip it and get some on the other side. So now that's up to temperature, we'll pop his chicken in, skin side down. And you just want to cook this for about 45 minutes. Just to get a bit of browning on the skin because it will be cooking in the slow cooker for a couple of hours. Once you're happy with the browning, you can then transfer them to the slow cooker. So starting again on a medium heat with a clean pan. I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons of butter. When it's melted, we'll just pop in the onions and the chopped pepper. We'll just cook these off for a few minutes, just to soften the peppers a little. Keep giving them a stir so you don't burn the onions or the peppers. Once you can see the onions getting a bit of a browning on them, we're going to add some sun-dried tomatoes. It's about 150 grams. And 2 teaspoons of paprika. We'll give that a good mix. And then about 2 tablespoons of red wine vinegar. Next we're going to add 250 millilitres of red wine stock. And we're going to bring that back to a boil. When it starts to boil, just cover it up and reduce it to a simmer for about 5 minutes. I'm now going to add a few chopped potatoes to it. I'm going to chop these potatoes now they've been peeled into chunks and I'm going to part boil them. So we'll give this a rinse in some cold water to get rid of excess starch and then we'll put them on to boil. Now potatoes are fork tender, we're just going to drain them and then we'll just add these potatoes back in. What we're going to do is we're going to heat this back through when a slow cooked chicken's ready. Now we're going to add chicken back to the top, just for a couple of minutes.